Quotients of numbers in scientific notation are found using rules of exponents. Here we have 5.8 times 10 to the negative 9th divided by 9 times 10 to the 11th. We can do the division of our numbers here. 5.8 divided by 9 is equivalent to 0.644, and common bases using the quotient rule, we take the exponential power in the numerator and subtract the exponent of the denominator. Minus 9 minus 11, or plus a negative 11 using the rule of subtraction, results in 0.644 times 10 to the negative 20th power. For an equivalent expression for the quotient of these two numbers. However, it's not in scientific notation with a 0 to the left of the decimal place. We need to further express this number as a proper form by moving the decimal one more place to the right, which is moving our power one more in that same direction, giving us a value of 6.44 times 10 to the negative 21st value for the scientific notation correct form for the quotient of this problem. Here I have a Texas Instrument calculator, which we can use to do the same problem. To enter a number in scientific notation, we use the double E key. For this particular problem, I will type 5.8. EE takes care of the times 10. All we need to do is put in our exponent. I'm putting the 9 and then the sign change key, which is here, to put it to the negative 9th power. As you can see, we're dividing it by 9 times 10 to the, and the double E key takes care of the times 10 to the. I only need to type in that exponent. This is this calculator's version of 9 times 10 to the 11th power, and then tapping equals. And here you can see we have our 6.44 repeating times 10 to the negative 21st power. However, this looks like 6.44 to the negative 21st power, which is clearly not the same. We need to understand how certain calculators display scientific notation and then translate it so that there is no confusion. This would not be an acceptable answer for the quotient to this problem. Rather, the form that we originally did by manually doing the calculation. Here I have a Casio FX115ES. The scientific notation key is here, times 10 to the x power. So to do this problem, I'll tap in 5.8, tap that scientific notation key, which provides the times 10 in the display. Then we put in the exponent. And because it's negative, here's the sign change key. I'll put a negative 9. We are dividing it by 9 times 10 to the, which I've tapped that scientific notation key here at the bottom. What's left is to put the power that that's raised to, 11, and then tap the equals for our answer. Here the display is giving us the answer in the correct form for scientific notation, 6.4 repeating times 10 to the negative 21st power.